The legend is back, stronger, smarter, and ready to conquer every trail. Welcome back to SG Somo Rides. For decades, the Yamaha DT 175 MX has been remembered as one of the most iconic dual-sport motorcycles ever built. Its lightweight body, simple engineering, and outstanding off-road capability made it a favorite among adventure riders around the world. Today, we're imagining what a 2026 Yamaha DT 175 MX concept could look like if Yamaha revived this legendary name with modern technology and styling. Let's take a closer look. Modern retro design. The concept keeps the classic DT identity while adding a modern twist. A round LED headlight, aggressive fuel tank graphics, lightweight body panels, high-mounted front fender, aluminum swing arm, and rugged spoke wheels create a perfect blend of retro styling and contemporary adventure design. The new color options feature Yamaha Racing Blue, matte black, and white with classic DT-inspired graphics. Engine. Imagine the new DT 175 MX powered by a refined 175cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected single-cylinder engine producing smooth power and excellent reliability. A 6-speed gearbox delivers quick acceleration on city roads, while offering enough torque for dirt trails and mountain rides. Off-road performance. This is where the DT 175 MX truly shines. Long travel suspension, lightweight chassis, excellent ground clearance, and dual-purpose tires allow riders to confidently tackle mud, gravel, rocky paths, and forest trails. Whether you're exploring backroads or commuting through the city, the bike feels agile and easy to control. Features. The Imagine 2026 concept comes equipped with full LED lighting, TFT digital instrument display, Bluetooth smartphone connectivity, navigation support, USB charging port, dual-channel ABS, traction control, riding modes, slipper clutch, lightweight aluminum frame. These features bring the legendary DT into the modern era. Comfort. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and comfortable seat make long-distance rides enjoyable. Both beginner and experienced riders will appreciate the bike's balanced ergonomics and easy handling. Braking and safety. Braking duties are handled by front and rear disc brakes with dual-channel ABS. The suspension absorbs rough terrain with confidence, while the high ground clearance ensures obstacles are cleared with ease. Expected price. If Yamaha ever introduced a modern DT 175 MX, it could be priced competitively to attract both adventure enthusiasts and nostalgic fans. Its combination of retro styling and modern technology would make it one of the most exciting lightweight dual-sport motorcycles on the market. Final verdict. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 MX concept shows how a legendary motorcycle could return with today's technology while preserving its adventurous spirit. It combines classic design, lightweight performance, modern features, and off-road capability into a package that many riders would love to see become reality. Would you buy a modern Yamaha DT 175 MX if Yamaha officially launched it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this concept review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for SG Somo Rides for more motorcycle reviews, concept bikes, and the latest automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.